Hello and welcome to Finbyz Tech. In this video, we will be discussing the top ERP implementation mistakes that you should avoid. ERP implementation can be a complex and lengthy process, and these mistakes can lead to delays, cost overruns, and ultimately, a failed implementation. So, let's dive right in. Lack of proper planning. One of the biggest mistakes that organizations make during an ERP implementation is not having a proper plan in place. This can lead to delays, confusion, and even failure of the project. It's essential to have a clear understanding of the project's goals, timelines, and resources needed before beginning the implementation process. Not involving key stakeholders. Another common mistake is not involving key stakeholders in the ERP implementation process. This can lead to resistance to change and poor adoption of the new system. It's important to involve all relevant departments and individuals in the planning and implementation process to ensure that everyone is on board and invested in the project's success. Ignoring data quality issues. ERP systems rely heavily on accurate and reliable data. Ignoring data quality issues can result in incorrect or incomplete information, which can lead to poor decision-making and operational inefficiencies. It's important to address data quality issues before implementing an ERP system to ensure that the data is accurate and reliable. Inadequate training. Implementing an ERP system requires significant changes to an organization's processes and procedures. Inadequate training can lead to resistance to change, confusion, and even failure of the project. It's essential to provide adequate training to all users of the new system to ensure that they are comfortable and confident using it. Not testing the system thoroughly. Finally, one of the biggest mistakes that organizations make during an ERP implementation is not testing the system thoroughly. This can result in issues and errors that can impact the organization's operations and productivity. It's important to thoroughly test the system before going live to ensure that it's working as intended and that any issues are addressed before they become bigger problems. So, there you have it, the top ERP implementation mistakes to avoid. You can avoid these mistakes and ensure a successful ERP implementation. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.